Meaning of indirectness.
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 Indirectness. Indirectness refers to the act of communicating a message in a roundabout or ambiguous way, rather than directly stating it. This can involve using hints, implication, or relying on context to convey meaning. The result of indirectness can be a lack of clarity or misunderstandings, as the intended message may not be fully understood by the recipient. Indirectness can also be a form of politeness or diplomacy in some cultures, where direct communication may be considered rude or confrontational. Overall, the use of indirectness can have both positive and negative effects depending on the context and culture in which it is used.